Light Up Technologies is on a mission to recruit exceptional science teachers to join their team, catering to students from classes 1 to 12 under the CBSE board. As a leader in the EdTech space, Light Up Technologies is renowned for its innovative approach to education, and they are now expanding their team of educators to further enhance their offerings. The company is particularly focused on finding candidates who are not only knowledgeable and skilled but also deeply passionate about teaching and making a difference in students' lives. In recognition of the importance of attracting top talent, Lateup Technologies offers a highly competitive salary, ensuring that deserving candidates are rewarded appropriately for their expertise and dedication. This role offers teachers a unique opportunity to work with one of the most prestigious names in educational technology, allowing them to contribute to cutting edge teaching methodologies and reach a broader audience through the company's extensive platform. The ideal candidates will bring a strong understanding of scientific concepts, the ability to engage students effectively, and a commitment to fostering a supportive and inspiring learning environment. For those interested in shaping the future of education and being part of a forward thinking, globally recognized company, this position at Latup Technologies is an unparalleled opportunity. Candidates can apply by visiting the company's website or contacting them via email as indicated in the advertisement. Joining Latup Technologies means becoming part of a dynamic team dedicated to pushing the boundaries of traditional education and making a lasting impact on the next generation of learners.